Herschel, come on. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Psst, 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 psst. Come here, Zach. Zach. Come here. Psst, psst, psst. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Hi guys. Hi. Hi Herschel. Hi. How's my boy, huh? How's your boy? He's a good boy, huh? How's his boys, huh? Hi Zach. Hi Herschel. Hi Herschel. Hi Herschel. How's Herschel, huh? How's Herschel doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi Zach. Zach, bring me the ball. Bring me the ball. Come on, bring me the ball, Zach. Bring me the ball. Well, I was screwing around with it quite a bit.
Hey, Doopy! Doopy! Smile for the camera, Doop.
Harper, how you doing, Boo Boo?
Doopy!
Hi! Hello! Hi! Oh, hey, look, it's the dogs! Who's the dogs, huh?
You wanna get him?
Zach! Zach, bring me the ball, Zach! Come on! Bring me the ball!
You wanna go get him?
Hey! Okay.
Bless you.
So, Aaron,
Yeah?
tell me your feelings about having a child.
Hoopy, what's he saying? Let's turn the audio off, Hoops. Hoopy.
Okay, well, tell me your feelings about your perm. How'd it go, anyway?
It smells so bad.
Oh, it smells awful. I wish we had smell audio. Smellio tape. And we could, like, really have this thing on tape for the full effect. Harper doesn't seem to mind the smellio.
You want to smell? Do you mind my perm? Do you mind my perm?
How was it, though?
It was great.
Really?
Great.
How long were you in the chair?
Oh my god.
Really? What
Zach.
how'd Matthew John do? Tell me about Matthew John. Let's get a close-up of these curls. They're really pretty intense. Whoa, look at those curls.
What is it, Zach? I know my hair smells. Alright. Alright, guys. Alright.
Hey, wait, we lost you.
Wait,
Oh,
yeah.
there we go. Okay, oops.
Zach,
Alright.
hey, Herschel.
Herschel,
Hey,
Zach.
where'd you guys go? Come on over.
There's dog number one.
Herschel. 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 Now Zachy's got the ball. Bring us the ball, Zay. Ready, Harps? Ready? Ready? You throw it. Ready? Go get it, Zach. Go get it.
Alright, Zach's going off camera to get the ball. Meanwhile, Erin's going to talk about her experience with Matthew Johns. How was it? So you got there and what happened? Did they wash your hair?
Yeah.
Did they notice how nicely you fixed it up to go in?
Oh, hoopy, hoopy, doopy, doopy, doops.
Alright, let's get a close-up. This is the disc that Sheila got. And you see the dogs with their special dog bowls beyond. Hi, Zach. Zach. It's me. Anybody want to see Zach growl? See, this is what Zach. Oh, no, Zach. Hey, Zach, can I have some of that food? Can I have some of that food, Zach? Wow, it's just gonna get all bent out of shape. All right, never mind. Hi, Zach. Good boy. Good boy, Zach. Can I have some food, Zach? Can I have some food? Can I have some food, Zach? Huh? Can I have some of your food? Okay, never mind. Alright, now let's pan back here. Or zoom out. Okay. So let's see. Oh, there's Harper. Hi, Harper. Harper, those are your dogs, huh?
Hey, Hoops. Sit down.
Oh, wait, move his hair in back of his ears.
Wait a minute, hold on. Oh yeah. Harper, your ears all
Harper.
big out. You gotta go to Matthew John like me.
Hey, Harper, front and
Hey,
center.
oh, look at this, Harper.
Hi, boo-boo. Hi, how's my little face there? But yeah, well, we didn't get to cleaning it. We're busy screwing around with the video. Alright, let's get a shot of Mom cleaning everything in sight.
Hands up.
As usual.
Oops.
Harper, alright. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna feed Harper?
No, we give him a bath. I was just setting him up while we give him a bath.
Oh, okay.
Don't you have to go to work?
Yeah. This is Harper in his little high chair. Oh, is that fun, Harper? Is that fun? Is that fun? Is that funny? Can you clap for Daddy? Can you clap for Daddy? Okay, Harper, let's try something. Now, these are Mom's chocolate double dips. As you can see, this is the main thing she does in life is to eat these. Oh, I wish we still had the several crates of them still on the table here.
They're pretty delicious.
Okay, and there's Harper's bath setup. Maybe, whoops. Daddy's still learning how to use the camera, Harper, so camera works a little stiff. That's right. This is so you, oh, Mommy's fixing the garbage. Probably years from now when you're watching this will be very familiar to you. Okay, probably the whole hair issue will be too. Whoa, it's hard to track Mommy, although that hair is not so hard. Now, Mom, hold close. Just hold still. Let's get right in on some of those incredible curls. Wow, look at them.
He doesn't know what it's like to have straight hair. He doesn't know what half of it hurts.
Okay.
I'm having a video.
This is Harper's room. That's Elmo in the corner. And over there, that's the elephant on his bottom. And this is the horse Davy got us. Here's his crib. And there's the Sesame Street thing from Roxana. And there are his stuffed animals. That's our favorite little collection. It's a zebra and the cows and the tiger. There's our special matching laundry hamper. And there's Mommy at the changing station, and there's Farmer Clegg. Yeah.
Get your bath ready. Get your bath ready. Get your bath.
Hi, Zach and Herschel. How are you doing today? Huh? That's Zachary. And that's Herschel. And that's the boy. Harper. Harper, hi. Hi. Hi! How's my boy? He's busy, huh? He's busy. Hey, Boo Boo! Harper. Hi, bouncy boy, bouncy, bouncy boy. Oh, that's Herschel in the background. Harper. Hey, bouncy. 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 Peekaboo. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Who's that? Who's that by your feet, Harper? Is that your doggy? Huh? This is Harper, his
Hi,
little
Harper.
superhero outfit.
Hi.
See, Harper's just learning how to crawl, and he can't quite crawl forwards. Can mosey around the room a little bit.
Hi, Harper. Crawl over here. Crawl over here. Come on over. Come on over.
I think Harper spies a doggy.
Come on, Herschel. Come on, Herschel.
Harper spy a doggy?
Come on, Herschel. Come on, Herschel. Herschel. What's Herschel doing? What's he doing? I don't think so. I don't think so, Herschel. How about we get a little more? Get this Herschel. Yeah, you take it in. Oops, careful. You're alright.
Oops.
Herschel, bring this over. Look at you got it. You pull it. You pull it. You got it? You got it. Oh, what is it? What is it? Got it? Ready? You take one, Anna. Take one. Got it? There you go. You got it? You got it? Yeah. You got it? Get it from Marshall. Oh, you got it. You got it. Uh-oh, no. Marshall, say it. Go. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. You want it? You take it. You take it. Let me fix your sleeve. Okay, ready? You go. You get it. Where's he going? Herschel, give it back. You got it. Oh, good job, Hart. Where are you going?
There he goes, crawling backwards.
Harper, where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Go get Elmo. Where is he? You see him? There he is. There's Elmo. Can you get him? Can you get him? There he is. Harper, you're out there.
Oh, Mommy feels compelled to record for all posterity her thoughts on Daddy's outfit here.
Oh, Harper. It doesn't match. It looks great on you, but it doesn't match.
Harper's been listening to a lot of salsa music. As you can see, he's getting ready to get into percussion.
Yay, Harp. You making that noise? Are you making that noise? Herschel, you smell. Your face smells, man. Your face smells. Hey, you. Alright, Herschel. You smell bad. You smell bad, Herschel. You need a bath. You need a bath, Herschel. You need a bath.
Aaron, what do you think about the smell of Herschel's face?
Herschel smells bad.
He does, huh?
Horrible.
It's
You
awful,
stink.
isn't it?
You stink, Herschel. You
How's the
need to
perm
eat.
holding up?
It's holding.
It is?
Yeah.
Good, okay. I'm gonna cut back to Harper here.
Herschel, how'd you get this sock? How'd you get this sock? No more socks, Herschel. Yay, Harp. Yeah. What do you think? Oh, bad.
Zachy! Come here, Zach!
Zachary!
Zach!
Come on, Zach. Come on in.
There he is. Come on in, Zach.
Hey,
Come on
Zachary,
in.
Come on over. Come, Zachary. There he is. There's Zachary. Hi, Zach. Everybody's here. Who's that? That's the blue one. That's the blue one. Okay, now I'm filming Daddy and Harper.
Move. All the dogs have to stay out of the way.
Wait, the dog's gonna be in it.
No, I want everybody
minute now.
to see this. Whoever's looking at it.
Why are you so fake in it? Act natural. Act natural.
Okay, wait, I'm showing how I do this.
I can't get that much in the view. All right.
Well, make it wider.
It doesn't go that wide though.
What do you mean it doesn't go that way? Did you take it off pause?
Yeah.
So you're filming?
Yeah.
Can
Is
we-
everything in the square on?
Yeah, everything, the whole everything
all right.
you see
Okay,
is
all
in
right,
there.
then I'm all
it's
set.
not, yeah, you can
All right.
zoom in.
Hi, Harp.
Hi.
Hi, Harper. Hi.
Alright, so Daddy's gonna
Peekaboo.
try not
I
to
see
act
you.
fakey here.
Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. I see you. I see you. I see you, Harp. Harper, tell Daddy how to act.
All right.
He's so fake. Wait, Daddy, you're out of the film. You're out of the camera.
Daddy's acting too fakey.
I don't want to put it on pause. Wait. That's so fake. Come on, act natural. Act natural.
I can't.
Harper,
Come
act
on.
natural.
Alright, these are the dogs, Zachary and Herschel. Hi,
Hi,
boys.
Zach and her.
How's everybody?
Harper, you playing with Daddy? Harper, where's Daddy?
Herschel, you smell, but I don't care. Yeah.
Harper, what you doing?
Harper, what are you busy, boy? Huh? You're a busy little boy.
What are you doing
You
with
getting
this
the
block?
dogs?
Yep. Oh, I got Zach. There's Herschel.
Aw.
I think it's Zach, Herschel, and you. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Hey, boy.
Hooper. Hooper, what you got?
Harper's very busy with his building blocks. Here they come.
Hi, doggy. Hi, everybody. There's Harper and Daddy playing. Oh, that's the present from Dr. Miller. You already had one, but
You like that?
I need two. Daddy's playing with the Duplo's heart. Daddy's got the Duplos.
Let's get the piano out here. You can show how Harper's gonna be next Rubinstein. There you go, Harper. Tickle those old ivories.
Harper, you want to play the piano? think you're too busy. You're too busy, Harper. Daddy can play.
Da da.
Excellent.
Da da.
Oh, yay, Daddy. Yay, Daddy.
Da.
Daddy's excellent.
Da.
Very good. All right, I'm going to turn it off now for a while. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, as you can see, it's about 10:30 in the morning, and everybody's finally asleep, the baby and both dogs. Now Daddy's gonna have a cup of coffee. Bye.
Come on, I'm watching my program. I'm watching my program. You're not filming this, are you?
No. It's my wife.
Come on, Joe. Adios. Where's all your baby fat? Where'd it go? Can you splash in the water? Let's move this.
This is Harper
Yes.
taking a bath.
Splash in the water. Whoa! Can you do it? Splash over here. Put your hands in. Wow! You do it. Wow! You do it. Can I wash your back, Harper? Wash your back. Scrub it up. Yeah. Hear the wind? Hey, hear it out there? It's windy. That's Daddy. Hi, Daddy. What's Daddy doing? Is he filming you? Is he filming you in the tub? Is he filming you in the tub? Wow, look at these big splashes. Got your boat, Harper? Oh, there's a boat in the water. Let me get it. Here it is. Ready? Boom. See it? Can you fill it up with water? See if it still floats? Does it float? Make some waves. Make some waves. That's more interesting, right? Is that fun? Your tippy toes tickle. I tickle your tippy toes. There you go. See it? Wow! Look at you! Look at you! Here it comes! Delicious! Is it? Is it delicious? I don't know. Looks pretty yummy to me. You like it? You like it? Yeah? Maybe? Is it good? It's winter squash, Harps. It's winter squash. I think it's good. Looks delicious. Looks delicious. You liking it? You liking it? It's delicious. Yummy. Is it yummy? Is it delicious? What do you think? Have some fruit after this? Want some fruit next? Is it great, Harper? Is it great? You like squash? Squash is good for you. I'm gonna have some peaches next. You can have everything orange. Is that good? Can we get some more? Hold on. Get some more Harps. Ready? Alright, ready, Harper? Here it comes. Here comes more. Ah, delicious. Uh-oh. Sorry. I'm sorry. You're gonna mess on your face. Is it delicious? Do you like it? Do you like it? It's good? Is it good? Does it taste good? haven't had squash in a long time. You haven't had squash in a long time. What's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? See him? See him? What's he doing? He watching you eat. Is he watching you eat? That's the wind you hear, Harper. That's the wind making that noise. Ready, ready, silly. Ah, is it good? Do you like it? Is it delicious? You're eating a lot, Harper. Gotta save room for the peaches. Gotta save room for the peaches, that's the best part. Dessert's always the best part, Harper. Gotta eat the dessert first, you have room. Hey Zachary, what are you doing? Harper, it smells like curry in here. Hey Zachary, what's he doing? Hey Zachary, hey Hershel. What's Zachy doing? Where is he? Ready? Oh, Hershel. Zachary. What are they doing? Hi, Hershel. Zachy's smart. He's not going out in this weather. Right, Zachary? He's not going anywhere. Rest of the jar. Ready? We'll try some fruit next. This is good. Is it delicious? Do you like it? Almost done. You ate the whole jar, Harper. You're great. I haven't had this in a while. You have a big appetite today. What do you want to try for fruit? What should he have, Joe? Peaches?
Yeah.
I guess everything has to be orange today. What's Hershel doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? Zachary's giving him the business. See it? Can you see him? Zachary's giving Hershel the business. Zachary. Alright, I think we're just about done with this. Gotta get something else. Ready? Got another spoonful on your face we could eat. Alright. Let me get something else, Harp. Wait for me. How about plain peaches or how about apples and plums? Apples. Ooh, Harper, wait till you try this. This is gonna be delicious. Got a new spoon for this one. Got a bigger spoon for this. This is delicious. Ready? Mmm, great, isn't it? Can I have some of this if you don't finish it? Can I eat what you don't finish? Can I finish what you don't eat? Do you like it? Delicious, isn't it? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good? Do you like it? Is it delicious? I think it is. Try this one. Oh, hear the wind, Harper? It's a rainstorm out there. Those good are gonna fly in here today in this weather. Fish with some big lips.
Hi, Zach.
What's Zachy doing? What's Zachy doing? Hey, Zach. What's Zachary doing, Heart? Can you see him? It's Hershel. Hey, Zachary. Hey, Hershel. Ready? Big bite. Harper, where'd you get this big hunger pang? Joe, I'm almost done with this jar. What should I give her next?
What's that?
This is apples and plums. And he has this winter squash before that.
Do you have peaches yet?
No, but not a lot of fruit. Should he have green beans?
Harper, do you want green beans?
Do you want green beans or peaches, Harps? Harper, are you going to share this with me? I think you're eating it all. I think you ate it all. You ate the whole jar. Where's my spoonful? Where's my spoonful? Let's just share this. So, Joe, what should I get next? You're good. Do you like it?
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Yay! Heart.
Don't put and pat it and mark it with H and put it in the oven for Hopper and me.
Yay!
Me. Yay! Yay! Where's Herschel? Where's Herschel?
Joe, come on, if you're taping me, come on, enough.
I'm
Yeah,
not
right.
taping you.
Oh,
No.
Thank
come
God.
on,